Looking for a bathroom exhaust fan with LED light and Bluetooth speaker? Our tools and equipment appliance experts bought and tested the top 10 bathroom exhaust fan with LED light and Bluetooth speaker available in 2022 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect bathroom exhaust fan for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list, we have the Broan-Newton HD80L 100-watt bathroom exhaust fan with light. The Broan-Newton HD80L is our top pick for bathroom fans. It comes with a very bright 100-watt incandescent light that comes with a shatter-resistant light lens. The bulb is not included, but we recommend you install an equivalent LED bulb for higher energy efficiency. The HD80L is rated at 80 CFM, and it is great for bathrooms up to around 75 SF. Broan-Newton also designed this bathroom fan to be easily installed with keyhole installation brackets. This means the motor and fan assembly can just be slid into the brackets using the keyholes. And it also means you can just replace the motor fan assembly in the future without removing the existing housing. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list, we have the Panasonic WhisperSense LED light and humidity sensor. The Panasonic WhisperSense is a great bathroom exhaust fan that comes with a bright LED light. You can control the fan speed from 50 CFM, 80 CFM, or 100 CFM just by flipping a small switch on the housing. The installation is also made super easy because the damper is detachable, which allows you to install the vent and wiring first before the housing. The WhisperSense comes with dual sensor technology to give you significant control over this exhaust fan. The humidity sensor can be controlled to automatically turn the fan on or off based on the humidity level in the bathroom. There is also a motion sensor that can detect when someone has entered the bathroom and turn the exhaust fan on. At number 3 on our list, we have the Delta BreezeIntegrity 80 CFM dimmable LED light bathroom fan. The BreezeIntegrity is our best pick that comes with a 13-watt LED light. The LED light is equivalent to a 60-watt incandescent bulb, and it is rated to last an amazing 30,000 hours. It is also dimmable, but it doesn't come with the dimmer switch, which you will have to buy separately. This Delta model is rated at 80 CFM, so it is great for small and regular-sized bathrooms. It is also pretty quiet and the SON rating is 1.3. One nice feature of the BreezeIntegrity is the quality of the motor. It is a DC brushless motor, and it is variable speed. This means that the motor will speed up to reach the desired CFM, even if there are things in the duct that slows down airflow. At number 4 on our list, we have the Hunter 83002 Imperial Bronze Exhaust Fan and Light Combo. The Hunter 83002 is my top pick for the best decorative bath fan with an incandescent light. This exhaust fan is rated at 110 CFM, so it is suitable for medium to large bathrooms. It uses 2 incandescent light bulbs at 60 watts each. You also have the option of installing a 7-watt bulb as a nightlight. This decorative bathroom fan looks amazing with artistic scrollwork and a bronze finish. It also has a really nice frosted glass lens. At number 5 on our list, we have the Broan 678 100-watt budget-friendly light and bath fan. The Broan 678 is my top pick for the best bathroom exhaust fan with light for small spaces. This 50 CFM rated bath fan with light is great for small bathrooms or half baths. Also, if you have a large bathroom with an enclosed toilet area, this fan is perfect since it has a light. The bathroom vent fan can use up to a 100-watt incandescent light bulb. We recommend installing an LED bulb, however, if possible. The noise isn't as quiet as my other picks, and it is rated at 2.5 SONs, which isn't exactly whisper quiet. If you don't care about the noise or if you like knowing that the fan is on, then this fan is for you. At number 6 on our list, we have the Air King Decorative Round Bathroom Exhaust Fan with Light. The Air King DRLC 702 is a decorative bathroom fan with a light for small to medium-sized bathrooms, 65 to 85 square feet, with a 70 CFM rating. This beautiful exhaust fan looks like a normal ceiling light fixture, with the vent grille being the circular outer frame of the unit. The frosted glass lens and nickel finish adds a nice sophistication to your bathroom fan that is pretty rare. The vent fan comes with a useful adjustable hanging bracket for an easier installation. You can install two 15-watt LED lights or up to two 60-watt incandescent bulbs with this exhaust fan. Unfortunately, it is somewhat loud at 4 zones, so we don't consider it a quiet bathroom fan. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.